show you how to replace a solenoid valve on a front load washing machine. Remove the 2 screws in the back, push the top back, lift off the top. Here's the solenoid valves. Lift this center tab here and pull back. All 3 come off the same way. There's 2 screws holding on the solenoid valve, one here and one underneath here. Remove it with a Phillips screwdriver. Just don't drop the screws. Remove the screw down here. Pulling the valve assembly out is a little bit of a trick. Just pull back on it and pull it to the side. Once it's to the side, just work it out. A little wiggling at the back end, and here it is. With it out, you can see the 2 screws here and here at the bottom. This bottom screw is a little bit tight to get to. There's a little trick to reinstalling this screw here. Tape the screw onto the screwdriver. Leave the edge of the tape like this so it's easy to pull it out once you put it in. When you insert this bottom screw, it's not going to come out. We'll place the valves in diagonally through the 2 square holes. Push them all the way back. Now insert the valves back into the holes. Push it nice and tight. Now we'll work to get that bottom screw in. Put the screw in fully. Just keep working it until you feel it tighten up. I can feel that the screw is tight. Now pull the screwdriver out. You can see how the tape just comes out like this. Just to make sure you don't drop the screw, you could tape the other one on. This one's a lot easier to get to. Spin it until it's tight. Push the connectors on, red to red, green to green, blue to blue. The valve assembly's in place. We'll get the top back on. Set the top down. It's a little tricky. Put it on and pull forward. Reinsert the screws. That's how you insert the solenoid assembly.